Hello students, I am Sailesh Prajapati. I will invite to you in the chapter number 4, determinant. In determinant students, today I explain our remaining properties of the determinants, 5th and 6th property. But before going 5th, I just revise to 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th property. In first property, a determinant have every row elements converting into columns. Value of the new determinant never change. Second property, if any two row interchange, either any two column interchange their corresponding elements, value of the new determinants are the sign negative in the previous original determinants. In third, yes, any multiples of the k, your new determinant getting k times. And fourth, any two row elements are same, either the column elements same, value of the determinant always 0. And the same way here we are running now property number 5. In the property 5, some of the elements of a row or a column are expressed in the sum of the parts of the row either column. We can express two or more determinants. Just like that, consider that's your determinants a1 plus lambda 1, a2 plus lambda 2 and a3 plus lambda 3. And here any b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. You can express are the two summation of the determinants. This row you write down in the two forming a1 plus lambda 1 same, a2 plus lambda 2 same, a3 plus lambda 3. And other same as b1, b2, b3, b1, b2, b3. Similarly students, c1, c2, c3, c1, c2, c3. That's your expressions to sum of the two or more terms are the determinants can be expressed as the two or more determinants. Now after that I will prove how can they express the sum of the two parts. Yes students. Now students, let's start our proofing to LHS part. a1 plus lambda 1, a2 plus lambda 2 and a3 plus lambda 3. Other same is. Now I will go to simple our definitions. Definitions wise you known the first row elements a1 plus lambda 1 with that minor value minus a2 plus lambda 2 again minor value and a3 plus lambda 3 the last minor value. So a1 plus lambda 1 means this, remaining are b2 c2 b3 c3. Second I have to T form b1 c1 b3 c3 and last L shape b1 b2 and c1 c2. Now students, I not expanded, only this expand a1 with lambda 1, a2 with lambda 2 and last a3 with lambda 3 and make them in the simple partitions by a1 first minus a2 and third a3. These are the first part plus lambda 1 with second minus lambda 2 also and last lambda 3. And simply putting, my first determinant is same as b2 b3 c2 c3 same, b1 b3 c1 c3 and last b1 b2 c1 c2. Similarly here operate b2 b3 and c2 c3. Similarly b1 b3 and c1 c3 and at the last b1 b2 c1 c2. Indirectly these are telling to our first determinants yes is equal to a1 a2 a3 B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This one are the expressions of the first determinant. Similarly, second, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. And other same B1, B2, B3 and C1, C2, C3. That's your RHS. In short, students, I telling that any row, if you give an addition form, you will make the separations. Either column also you can make the separations. Okay, now I will start our related one examples given here in your book. Yes, example number 10. Prove that by using properties, show that the determinants of a plus 2x, x, b plus 2y, c plus 2z, z will do answer 0. A plus 2x, b plus 2y and c plus 2z. Students, here I explain about the first row. Here I will explain to our elements of the second row. So in the LHS, first of all I will do A, B, C. A plus 2x, B plus 2y, C plus 2z, x, y, z. And only you can make by the property number 5. Yes, by property number 5, you can split the two determinants. The same as ABC. Second also same. Third row also same. X, Y, Z. And middle order A here twice X. B here twice Y. And C here twice Z. Now you will check any two row of a determinant's elements are same. Either columns, value of the determinant always 0. And that's I operating in that parts. So here you look, students, this is answer to same. 0 answer. Here also 2 common take, again 0. So I will further write down ABC. ABC, other same. And here you will take common in the second determinant with second row. ABC, XYZ, XYZ. Mention here in del 2, second row elements are common taking 2 with the 2R2. Common taking, so 1 by 2 write down. Now this is a 0. This also 0 because in del 1, this del 1, first row and second row are same. Similarly in del 2, here also second row and third row same. So that's every elements are 0 converted. And that's your final proofing. Now I will go to property number 6, which is most IMP property. Property number 6. In a determinant, first write down our questions wise. If to each elements of any row or column of a determinant the equimultiple of corresponding of the corresponding elements. First of all, write down the questions properly. Of other row or column are added, then value of determinant the same. And that's why we applying by the properties, we easily prove by these elements. Don't worry, I detail explain here. Consider my Dale is any determinants A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3. Read here, each element of any row, either column. We choose here row 1. In row 1 I operated. Of a determinant, equimultiples of corresponding elements or other row are added. Maybe second row I add here. Column also true. So anyway you can operate. So we operate here. In the first row and second row I added. Maybe you added first row and third row also. Either second row and third row also possible. Either any multiple with apply. Here I just some multiples number with the value apply. So here I R1 k time of R2. This is a k multiply and going to in R1. Any k constant multiples parts, then you can get k is a non-zero number. So I just operating my Dale value. The corresponding parts. Here look at that. First row I change by the adding of second row elements with k multiple. So A1 plus K2. This k multiply and add here. B1 plus KB2. K multiply and add here. And C1 plus KC2. Multiply k with add here. Other similarly A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3. Now this split, calculate and final decide your answer is Dale. So these are k multiple here I will do. Now here by property 5 we split the both determinants. This first elements A1 here K2, B1 KB2 and C1 KC2 and other are same as A2 B2 C2 A2 B2 C2. Similarly students A3 B3 C3 and here also A3 B3 C3. Now look at that, any two values are the same, then value of determinants is equal. This is your initial Dale, check. So this your new Dale dash is initial Dale, but here you will take common taking k. Other are A2 B2 C2 similarly and last A3 B3 C3. In first row common taking k. So in R1 I operate k divided by the R1, that's why the k common. And in a further, definitely this answer is students 0 because first row and second row equal. R1 equal to R2. In finally Dale dash is equal to Dale. It means value of determinant are remaining same. This operating students you may be operate column wise also. First column and second column added with multiple k any. Either first row, first column, third column operate by any multiple k. Either second column and third column also you operating students. Now I will start numerical related these questions. To property all 6 done here. So I will start my short numerical by the going exercise and then after examples. Okay, so till up to example 10 done here, I will go to 4.2. In exercise, prove by the property. Answer is 0. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. So plus given. Theorem 5. Today I explain very easily. So my LHS part, just I can make the split. X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. Here split into two different determinants by property 5th. So here the splitting x, y, z same ABC. X, Y, Z same ABC. This column elements. Any column either row, if you addition from given, you can make split. It is x, y, z, other ABC. Now look at that. These are the same. Answer is 0. Here also students, these are the same. Answer is 0. Final answer 0. Because just write down in del 1 which are the same. Column 1 is equal to column 3, and in del 2 column 2 is equal to column 3, and that's why this answer is simple. Calculate. Now slowly I going my question number 2. Second also prove by using properties. Here not we use the definition, use the property wise. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A, and A minus B, and last C minus A minus B, B minus C is equal to 0. Very easy. First of all, your del, I will operate any two row, either column, we can add in the one initial. I added here. This row I add in, and this row also I add in. So first row have, second row and third row I added. Operate. First row I change R1 plus, R2 plus, R3. So definitely you will cover A minus B plus, B minus C plus, C minus A. Same students. B minus C, C minus A minus B. Same as here. And other are same as B minus C, C minus A, C minus A minus B, and A minus B, B minus C. You look here, this all are cancelled. As it is here also. Say as it is here also. And what to do? 0. Yes. They'll become 0, 0, 0. Other same as and same as. And every elements of the row, if you 0 either column, answer is 0. Now third is IMP exam level. Question number 3rd. Exam level IMP questions. The determinant of del given that 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 65, 75 and 86, but we'll do till answer 0 by using property. Students, I just think about that. This column I just subtract here. Definitely our answer is coming there. So in operating LHS 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75 and 86. First column I will subtract in third column. So third column I operate C3 minus C1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65 minus 2 and 86 minus 5, and that's your simple way students answer here. So students, after subtracting here you will get 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 65 minus 2, 63, here 72 and here 86 minus 5, 81. Now definitely they are looking the final 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. It is multiple. 9 sevens are, 9 eights are, and 9 nines are. You will take common 9 outside. So remaining are 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Again 7, 8, 9. And what is the common taking? 9 in column 3. So column 3, you will take 3 common, so 1 by 3. And this answer is 0. Because of that, here 2 elements are same. See, column 2 and column 3. So my answer is, simple way I ending that, del is 9 into 0. Because of that, column 2 is equal to column 3. This column and this column are equal elements, and that's why this answer is 0. Sometimes you also different method using here by row wise, also answer coming 0. Okay students. Now fourth, using again property, prove the answer 0. Del 1 1 1 BC CA AB, A with B plus C, B with C plus A, and C with A plus B, and answer cover to 0. C with A plus B. Very easy. Just I take LHS 1 1 1 BC CA AB, and these are multiply. AB plus AC, BC plus BA, and CA plus CB. I just add my column number second elements, adding in the third. So in their answer 1 1 1 BC CA AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC, and AB plus BC plus AC. And what the operating? Column number third I just added in the with second column. Now students, why I will doing that? This the common. Take outside totally AB plus BC plus CA, other same BC CA AB 1 1 1. And also you will check here, this is the 0 answer because first and third column are equal. So del answer ABBCCA into 0 because column 1 equal to column 3, and that's why my answer is totally 0. Here no using the definitions, only used by the our property 1 to 6. Now students, I will check big questions. Sixth one, that is IMP for exam level. 3 marks questions coming here, and IMP for exam. Yes, many time asking. Question number 5. Prove that B plus C, C plus A plus B, Q plus R, R plus P, and P plus Q. Similarly, Y plus Z, Z plus X, and X plus Y is equal to 2. A, B, C, P, Q, R, and X, Y, Z. Very easy. One more time check. B plus C, C plus A plus B, Q plus R plus P, P plus Q, Y plus Z, Z plus X, and X plus Y. Now I just write down my LHS. And students, here there are the 3 different types: ABC, PQR, and XYZ. I operate here. This row add here, this row add here. So in the LHS, I am operating all row addition. Same here additions, and last here also additions. And what to do operating? Yes, my operating is a row number 1 add into row 1, row 2, and row 3. Other same, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. Now definitely this is the 2 times. 2 times. So I will write down here 2 times A plus B plus C. Similarly, one more also, that is the 2 times P plus Q plus R. and similarly 2 times x plus y plus z. Other data nothing do, as it is r plus p, p plus q, and z plus x, x plus y. Now we will do here 2 common, that's the RHS part. One data is coming here, 2 outside, remaining are a plus b plus c, p plus q plus r, x plus y plus z, c plus a plus b, r plus p, p plus q, z plus x, x plus y. Now I will think about to how can dissolve this determinant in the least to least part, and that's your answers, least to least. So I just subtracted here, either this row subtract in first, either third row subtract in first. I will do second subtract in first. These are the subtracted. So operating in the jail, 2 is same. Here are subtracting a plus b plus c minus c minus a, p plus q plus r minus p, and x plus y plus z minus z minus x. Now what is row 1 operate? Row 1 minus row 2. First row minus second row, and other are same as c plus a plus b, r plus p, p plus q, and z plus x, x plus y. Simple students, you will get here one of the data del 2 times. So look at that, c cancel, a cancel, only you have to b, other same. Here students, p gone, r gone, only q, r plus p, p plus q, and x cancel, z cancel, only y, other same. So check here, b, q, y, this is your second row element done. Now this are subtract from third column, this also third column. So I am operating easily here, b, q, y, and operate what? Third column, I mean row. Third row minus first row, not a column, it is row. Third row minus first row. Other is same as c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, and a plus b minus b, p plus q minus q, and x plus y minus y. So this cancel, that cancel, this cancel. Remaining are as it is b, q, y, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, and a, b, c, a, p, x. You also check this a, p, x is the first row element. Now final doing, these are subtraction to second column. Third row subtract in second row. Yes, first third row subtract in third row. So here a final target is achievement b, q, y, c plus a minus p, and minus x. Other will do same as apx, and mention by the properties. What the property? Second row subtract by third row. Second row subtract by third row. Definitely here you will get a cancel, p cancel, x cancel, and other your final target achievement by this answer. Only few steps are left now. So students, here check, this is your RHS. So that's why I will show my this step again. Del is a 2, p, q, y, here c, r, z, and a, p, x. So check here, first row I want to a, p, x. Here, so these row are exchanged to each other. Yes, row 1 exchange, row 3. Value of determinant are negative by property 2. So here are negative apx and bqy, other same as crz. Now again check, I want to BQI. So this row I again change by the property to again negative sign. So R2 change R3. And my answer is -1 with -1. Other are same as APX. Here BQI and here CRZ. APX same. Here BQI and here CRZ. These are the, check your answer, APX, BQI, CRZ. And my final answer is -1 square is positive 2, ABC, PQR, XYZ. That's my RHS. And you check here, that's your finally answer done. This is your 3 marks question, students. And now finally, yes students, up to 5th, here I will stop this part, students. I hope you understood very well. This is a short question done. Other remaining questions I will explain in the next parts. Okay students, bye bye.